Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at this sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5-6. I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stop pick. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. eat my bacon and egg, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits.
That TTG money gang,
making profits.
We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. It's going to be a big night. It's a big night. Why is it a big night? I'm giving away $1,000. That's why it's going to be a big night. But it's also going to be a big night because what the hell happened in the market today? Big reversal, sell-off. Everything was great right up until 1 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern time. 1 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern time, everything changed. What the hell happened? What happened right there? What happened right there that made the markets go from a new 52-week high with the Dow being 13 green days in a row, going on 14, which is the biggest streak in 100 years, okay? Being 14 green days in a row to all of a sudden finishing the day in the red, wiping out all of yesterday's action and all of the gains that we've experienced over the last 3 to 4 trading days. What happened that caused the market to do that? Well, it wasn't just out of nowhere. There's very specific reasons why that happened. I'm going to tell you how that happened and why that happened. But the volatility is unbelievable right now in this market. It's another huge day inside of True Trading Group, another make your day before lunchtime type of day. It's kind of been the theme of the month of July. July's been an absolute crazy month, one of the best months that we've had all year because of the volatility that you don't normally have in July, but you have this year. And it's no surprise to us at True Trading Group because you've been paying attention to any of our live streams over the last couple of months, then you would know that we've been telling you that this volatility, this environment that we find ourselves in is the best trading environment that I've ever seen in my 17-year career of doing this. We're going to recap what happened in the markets today. Is this a healthy pullback in the market, or is it the start of a deeper correction? That's a question that everybody wants to know. I'm going to give you the answers to that here on this live stream. Go over the trades of the day. We had some monsters in chat today. Snowflake puts, Tupperware, a small cap that went bonkers today. But then how are we going to finish out the week? We got 1 trading day left. You got 2 trading days left in the month of July. I'm sad to see the month of July go. I really am, because it's been that big of a month. So let's talk about how we're going to make money the last couple of trading days of the month. Welcome, guys. My name is Michael Edward Paranati. I go by Michael Edward. I've been trading and investing for over 17 years. I began my career working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City. My very first job right out of college. I had to go through a 3-month educational training program before they let me touch $1 of their money. Then 2008 happened. 2008 was the Great Recession. It was the stock market crash, but it was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and the head trader of True Trading Group, along with my team of 10 other professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff. We've helped thousands of members reach their goals. We have members in 115 different countries. Truly a global community with members all around the world when you guys join True Trading Group. Now, if you guys did not know, we are the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that's available today because we combine professional university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools. We do live workshops and provide individual mentorship for stocks, options, crypto, futures, for all styles of trading as well. We do day trading, we do swing trading, we also do long-term investing. So something for everybody inside TTG. You see, we take that university level of curriculum, similar to the stuff, it's just basically a simplified and expanded upon version of the 3-month training that I went through and I worked at the fund. We take that and combine it with today's top financial tools. These are tools that give you more information, that help you make better decisions, that increase your chances of success. Most retail traders don't use them because they're expensive. It's going to cost you probably $5,000 to $6,000 a year if you wanted access to these tools. We've spent years building relationships with these companies so we can put their tools and their products on our platform at no additional cost to the THD members. You guys all have access to it without having to spend $5,000. It's included in your membership when you guys join the platform. You also get access to all of our members. Our members are hands down the most helpful, educated, supportive, and successful community of traders that you'll ever find. And not to mention, you're going to get all the trade alerts in real time from the moderators and myself that have been able to maintain cumulatively as a group amongst all of our executions a win rate of around 80% now going on the last 3 years. So if you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you folks have come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here with myself and other TGD Pro trading mods and special guest drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, analysis, and trade ideas that can help you all make money and help you all become better traders. So if you haven't done so already, smash that like button, turn on your notifications. Of course, subscribe to the channel first so then you can turn on your notifications and make sure that you guys never miss out on any of these live streams. You know, before I get into kind of everything that's been going on this week and what happened in the markets today, I ask a rhetorical question at the beginning of a lot of my live streams. And I need everyone to listen up and just listen good, because I asked this rhetorical question about like why you should listen to me, right? So, why should you listen to me? And I go through, you know, this is who I am, right? My partner Adam and I, we put together this little intro part of our script, and it's a little routine. We call it the handshake. This is where, you know, I say it's nice to meet you. This is who I am. This is why you should pay attention. We got to welcome also the Stockmaster app. Everybody that's from the Stockmaster app, welcome. So if you guys are here from the Stockmaster app, welcome. We're talking about, was today's pullback in the market, today's reversal, the sell-off, was it just a healthy pullback, or is it something more? Is it the start of a larger correction, or is it just a healthy pullback? We'll talk about trades of the day. Huge day today in chat. Tupperware and Snowflake, trades of the day. So a lot to go over here and a lot to talk about. So if you guys are here from the Stockmaster app, you're in the right place. Welcome. Big fans of the app, big fans of the community. Welcome to the True Trading Group Live. Now, what I was saying, like, I go through these live streams and I ask everybody, you know, why you should listen to me. And I could tell you, you know, I could say I won a Trader of the Year award, which would be true. I can tell you I worked for a T3 Alpha fund on Wall Street, which would be true. I can tell you that I'm a successful trader, and this is true. And I can tell you that I've traded millions of dollars of the fund's money, and this would be true. And all these things would be true, right? But if you knew none of these things, okay, if you knew none of these things, okay, if you knew none of these things, you're going to want to listen to what I'm going to go over with you guys here for the next couple of minutes. Okay. You know, sure. Let's do it. All right. You see, a couple of weeks ago, we did a live stream, and you know, this is going back to, as I'm just recapping, like what's gone on in the month of July. And it's like, it's the same thing that's happening over and over and over again. And we anticipated this action in the month of July. Okay. Because we did a live stream coming out of July 4th, and the month started off very, very slow. We did a live stream coming out of July 4th. And I was telling everybody that, hey, don't be fooled by the slow start to the month, because it was a wacky start to the month. That Monday of July 3rd, it was a half a day. The markets were closed on Tuesday, the 4th. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday was like just a desert. Like the volume was so low. A lot of people just took the entire week off, and there wasn't really that much action that week. And I feel like some people kind of got lulled to sleep. And I told everybody that Sunday was the 9th, Sunday the 9th, so right after the 4th. I told everybody that get ready for some craziness, because July is jam-packed. July is absolutely jam-packed with crazy stuff going on, because it was the start of earnings season. You had the CPI and PPI data coming out. You had the Fed meeting that was coming out also. And it was just lined up to be an extremely volatile month. And I told everybody that I would not be surprised if we saw some triple-digit gains throughout that trading week and throughout the rest of the month. And normally I tell people, no, go back, watch my live streams from previously, right? I'm like, you know, they're all right here on this YouTube channel. You can go back, you can watch my live stream from July 9th. You can watch my live stream from July 16th, when I kind of did these live streams on the Sundays leading into the trading weeks, telling everybody, hey, these are my top trade ideas, and this is the opportunities I think we're going to see. But instead of telling you to go back and to go and watch those clips yourself, I've done people the favor and I've actually gone and I've grabbed a couple of those video clips for you guys from those previous live streams so that you can just get a feel for what it was, some of the things that we have talked about, because this volatility and this trading action that we've seen so far in the month of July is not something that took us by surprise. It's something that the moderators into your trading group, myself and the members have been able to capitalize on in a huge way. And I'm just damn proud of the trading that's been going on inside of chat. I mean, I'm having a great month. Our moderators are having a great month. Some members are having great months. So I've had a couple of members tell me that, that they've had their biggest months ever. They've had their single biggest days ever. It's been that kind of month in the month of July. And if you guys have been sitting on the sidelines during that time because you kept waiting for the stock markets to crash, you kept waiting for this Great Depression that everybody has been talking about. I mean, listen, I'll be the first one to tell you, I thought that we were going to have a recession this year. And there's no recession to be found. I mean, you look at GDP data that came out today, 2.4% was expected to be 1.8. Last month it was last month it was 2.0. I mean, this is just unbelievable data that we continue to get month after month, almost week after week. And the jobs market is still extremely strong. With jobless claims came out today, 220,000. They were expected to be 250,000. So labor market still extremely strong. Inflation continues to come down. GDP is actually ticking back to the upside. Certainly the signs of a soft landing, certainly not the signs of a recession. And that is, if you asked me 6-8 months ago, if I thought that the SPY would be back in the 450s by July, I would have said no way. I would have anticipated we would have had a recession by now. But that's why you can't allow your biases and you can't allow, what people on Reddit and Twitter and everybody talks about to cause you to miss out on all of this opportunity. Because imagine if you didn't own NVIDIA, imagine if you didn't own AMD or Broadcom or Microsoft or Apple or Alphabet or Meta and all the rest of these stocks that are up 100%, 50%, 80%, 100%, 200% just this year alone. You're 25 points from an all-time high on the SPY. It's nuts. I've got these video clips. I want to kind of go through you guys because, like I said, this wasn't a surprise for us inside of TTG. So I've got a quick video clip, guys. It's just about, a minute long or so. This is from July 9th. We'll see if we've got that clip loaded up. We've got it. All right. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to play this quick video clip. This is from July 9th on our YouTube stream. Go ahead. Do you now start to see why this is one of the craziest weeks of the entire year? Do you see why I am so excited? Do you see this is why urgent action is required? This is why. Because all of these catalysts are going to move the market in a big way. And when the markets move in big ways, stocks move in big ways, that results in larger percentage gain opportunities for us as traders. So if you took the week off last week, like many people did, you better be back in the saddle this week. Otherwise, you are going to miss out on what could potentially be multiple triple-digit bangers. That was July 9th. Okay. That was July 9th. And if we go back and we look at what has transpired since that stream, just that week alone, starting on Tuesday, you heard me say, I think you're going to miss out on triple digit gains. Cool. On that Tuesday, July 11th, over 100% gain on Coinbase. Okay. Over a 100% gain on Coinbase on call options. We caught this breakout rally in Coinbase. Okay. Then the very next day, NVIDIA. We caught this breakout in NVIDIA. It was actually a swing trade, just 2 days. And people that held on, the day trade went 100% on call options. The swing trade about 250% on call options. Those that got into and held NVIDIA through for the swing trade. We were able to capitalize on that move as well. And again, these things you can go back and watch the live streams from these days. You'll see we were in these trades, breaking down these trades, but I'm not going to go through all that stuff with you there. But both of those trades we were in and out before lunchtime. In and out before lunchtime, making your whole day's goal within an hour or two. Now, those are just 2 trades from myself. I'm not even factoring in the other 10 professional trading mods that are actually trading the trades that they've made, because there's a lot more, obviously, than just those 2 that were just from that week. I'm just talking about the week of that July 9th live stream. Then you fast forward another week and you go to now the week of July 16th. We did another live stream on Sunday evening, and I'll play another clip for you. So this is another video clip. This is from the clip I just played for you was from the 2 Sundays ago, or 3 Sundays ago now. So July 9th. This is from the 2 Sundays ago from July 16th let's go ahead and play a quick video clip from the July 16th live stream. Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Hope you all had a fantastic weekend, but are ready to get down to business because it is a big week. It is a huge week coming up. Why? I'll tell you in a moment. Last week, I told you that the markets were going to be crazy. We had monster gains last week. It was a huge, crazy, volatile week. The volatility is back in the market. Without any question of a doubt, volatility is back. When volatility is back, that means opportunity is abundant, and abundant is it ever. No matter what you trade, small cap, mid cap, large cap, stocks, options, crypto, futures, commodities, it doesn't matter. There's opportunity in every single corner of this market, and I'm going to tell you exactly what corners I'm focusing on to make money here this week. That was, again, prepping, trying to make people understand that when I say these things, I think sometimes people think that I'm just trying to get somebody excited over something that's not really there. No, when I tell you that the things are going to be slow, I'll tell you when I think things are going to be slow. And when I tell you, hey, don't overtrade or take it easy, get caught up on your studying, maybe go through some of the workshop stuff that we have in True Trading Group, I'll tell you. When I come on and I tell you that I'm like laser focused for a week, it's because I know that there's a lot of catalysts that are coming out that I know have a very strong likelihood of impacting price in the market, not just in indexes, but the stocks themselves. Okay. And when I think that you're going to get that type of volatility, that volatility means you're going to have bigger moves. Bigger moves equate to larger percentage gain opportunities for us as traders. Now, the bigger moves also mean you could lose more money as well, like bigger percentage losses because the stocks are making much bigger moves. That's why it's so important you understand how to capitalize on that volatility, which is something that us in True Trading Group, honestly, we thrive on that volatility. I absolutely love volatility. You give me a volatile market, and it is where I consider myself at home because you got to think about when I learned. When did I learn? I learned during the 2007, 2008 into 2009, which was the most volatile environment that you could have ever thrown a brand new trader into. It's like throwing a brand new trader into the COVID crash. That is maximum volatility. So if that is where I learned, I always feel at home in volatility, and I have a very good sense of when things are going to pick up in volatility, when there's going to be directional follow through and directional momentum, because that's just the environment that I've learned. And I've seen a lot of different market environments. I've been doing this for over 17 years. But just like you just saw in that video clip, kind of like Babe Ruth pointing to the outfield before he hit that home run, we come right back that very same week and we catch UPST to the long side. That was like a 50% gain on call options. Again, another trade that we were in and out within 2 hours, in and out before lunch. And when I say before lunch, like don't think that we're scalping. I'm not in and out of these trades within seconds or minutes. I mean, we hang out in these trades for like an hour or two, take our 50%, 70% or 100% on some of these trades I'm showing you, and then call it. I don't need to sit there. You don't need to sit there and make 10 trades throughout the day or 30 trades throughout the day. You catch one big one like that. Sometimes that's all you need to hit your daily goal. Like think about what that would mean to you. Think about what it would mean to you to make your day or be done with your day by lunchtime. How much more time that has for you, right? You can catch up on a hobby, go golfing, go fishing, go to the gym, spend some more time with your family, right? I bet it takes a lot of pressure off you and a lot of stress out of your days. And you go, let's keep going through more. Another one of my trades, a swing trade on Snowflake put options, right? Snowflake put options right here. That was an over 100% gain on the 20th. Okay. Then you go into Netflix. This was one of our other moderator trades, a swing trade on Netflix after the bad earnings, getting short on put options on Netflix and riding that to the downside on Netflix over the last couple of days. That was good for actually got in and out, took profit, added back full size, and then got flat. And it was about 44% and then 39% and then about 55% each time that there was a reload on that position because it was in and out and then, adding back to the position over about a 4 to 5 day hold period. And this is the type of stuff that you guys are seeing. That's 6 huge trades in those last couple of weeks. And I'm not even counting all of the other trades that were made by the rest of the moderators. All these trades, half of these trades, you could have been out before lunchtime. So if you guys knew nothing else about me, if you knew nothing else about True Trading Group, the sheer fact that this has been documented, this is the factual experience in the last couple of weeks, deserves your full and undivided attention. For anybody that's skeptical, that thinks that maybe I am the only person that is making money out of this, I completely understand if that is how you feel. I completely understand if that's what you are used to. You might have every right to think that, oh, well, maybe, this guy's the only one that makes money from these trades. Nobody else is able to follow and capitalize on these trades. You would be completely dead wrong. I'll prove that to you. Members of True Trading Group that are on this live stream, I know there are many of you. If you are a member of True Trading Group and you are making money and you're becoming better traders because of TTG, I'd like for you to go ahead right now and type the number 1 inside of chat. Just if you're making money, becoming a better trader, type the number 1 inside of chat right now. Now, anyone that's not a member, my advice is to pay attention to how many people are typing the number 1. These are your peers. These are your friends. These are your coworkers. These are your family members. They have all the same excuses that you've laid forth in front of yourself. And if they can do it, so can you. See, not only do we call these things out before they actually happen, not only do I stick my neck out there on these live streams, because I always tell you what I think is going to happen. Okay. I tell you what I think is going to happen tomorrow, next week. Okay. I tell you all these things. Just this past Sunday on a live stream, I told you that I think this is going to be a red week for the markets. So far, I'm correct. I don't come on and just tell you, hey guys, this is what happened today. All right, bye. I'll see you tomorrow. No, I'll tell you what happened today. I'll tell you why the markets did what they did so you understand what's moving the markets. We'll go over the trades from the day. We'll go over the lessons. There's a lot of lessons you can learn from the setups and the execution from these trades and the analysis that led up to those trades. A lot of stuff you can learn from it. But I also tell you what I think is going to happen the next day, where I think I'm going to make money tomorrow, where I think I'm going to make money for next week. And sometimes I'm going to be wrong. I'm wrong. I make losing trades. I have red days, but I'm right a hell of a lot more than I'm wrong. On the platform, in chat, the mobile app, we tell you what we're looking at and what our plans are before we even do it. And this way, everyone gets the same entry and exit opportunities. We don't alert trades until orders are actually executed, and we don't execute trades without first discussing them with our members. There's members that are on here that oftentimes, end up getting better entry and exit points than some of the moderators do. And that's a good thing. That's a good thing because honestly, there are family members, there are customers, right? The TGD family, when you join, you guys are family, and there are customers. We exist to empower retail traders, to empower our members, to help them make money. So that means that we're doing our job. We're doing our job correctly. And I got to tell you, I really am. I'm incredibly proud of members and moderators this month because, their members are making money with a lot of other responsibilities and with full-time jobs. These are people that can't sit in front of a computer all day long. They can't invest every minute of their day into charts and scanners, and yet they're still making it work. That's because the TG platform and our trading styles and trading styles that you guys will learn to implement, the strategies that we use, it's built around those that have a full-time job or a busy schedule. And those are people that, they need to know that and understand that you don't need to be a slave to your 9 to 5 forever. Or maybe you love your 9 to 5, but you don't need to. Some people think that because they have a job, they can't participate in the opportunities that the markets provide. And that's not correct. TG was built for those people that do not have a tremendous amount of time. And we do an incredible amount of heavy lifting for you. So when I ask a rhetorical question, why should you listen? These are all the reasons why that you should. All right, members of True Trading Group, if you guys are making money while working a full-time job, do me a favor, type the number 1. Just tell me what you do for a living. Just tell me what you do for a living. You guys are making money while working a full-time job. I just want to prove to people that think they can't do this because you have a full-time job or a busy schedule. It's just not true. Just pay attention to some of the comments you see from people and members. Maybe you might see someone that does the same thing, has the same profession as you do, but read them, right? Read them. Mechanic, drafter, truck driver. Just go through and read some of these comments that are coming through. Okay, auditor, realtor, crane operator, school janitor, HVAC, sales manager, business owner, IT consultant, sales manager, bolt mechanic, handyman, bakery owner, physician's assistant, home theater installer, geek squad, special ed teacher, high touch operations manager, accountant, farmer, inspector, electrician, nuclear procurement engineer. How are you? Street farm. We got, you almost got me there, Ricky. You almost got me there. Lawyer, right? So you guys are seeing, I don't need to keep reading all of these, but you guys can just see, maybe you see someone that does the same thing for a living as you do, right? But like when I ask people, hey, why should you listen? These are the reasons why. Now, this has been the third week. This has been the third week in a row. It's been the third week in a row where I told people that we were going to absolutely kill it. I told you this on last Sunday's live stream, that it was going to be another big week. And I told you it was going to be a big week because you had earnings and the Fed meeting. Okay? You had earnings and the Fed meeting. So I told you this was going to be another big week. And it has. Today, about a 90% gain on call options for members on Tupperware. I traded the stock itself, and even the stock, I caught 37% on the stock. 90% if you guys are in the call option. Snowflake today, puts to the downside. That was another 50 or 60% gain on the Snowflake puts. That was from one of our other moderators inside of True Trading Group. But this is the stuff that you guys are getting on a daily basis in True Trading Group. And again, this goes back to, we're not Monday morning quarterbacks. We tell you what we're looking at before we actually do it. Every single day before the markets open, the moderators and I go through our watch list with you. Our watch list, we also publish them. We send them out. It's on the website, but we also go through them live with you inside of our chat before the market even opens. We tell you very specifically, these are the stocks that we're looking at. These are the stocks we're focusing on. These are entry prices and these are exit prices. This is what we anticipate is going to happen today. This is where we plan on making money. And if we're right, we're going to make money. If we're wrong, then we'll lose money on that day. But we tell you exactly what we're going to do before we actually even do it. So again, I have one more video clip that I want to play for you guys. This is from this morning inside of the True Trading Group chat room before the market ever opened, when I start going through my watch list, my game plan. These are the stocks that I'm focused on. These are the reasons why. These are the prices that we want to be buying. These are the prices that we want to be selling. And we went over my trade of the day today is Tupperware, TUP. Let's go ahead, guys, and play that clip. Then you have TUP, another small cap. This one is actually filling its gap. Your gap fill on this one sits around 240-ish. We got up to 240 here this morning, 238 high, breaking through this mid-gap resistance at 220. Your gap break, which you did yesterday, was 185. So on pullbacks on top, if you get it, if you get a pullback back down towards $1.85 or so, you probably get a bounce off that level. But the play here is looking for this to get to 250. And if you get through 250, then things really start to open up if you get through 250 on top. You have a gap entry at 280, you have a gap fill at 295, and you have the 200-day moving average at 305. So you could see if you get through that 250, 260, 250 really. If you get through 250, you can see that thing open up for another 50 cents up to around $3. So there's the analysis on Tupperware. Okay, there's the analysis there on Tupperware. So now you heard me go over very specifically with you guys, 250, right? So we discussed a $2.10 support level. So you heard me talk about $2.10 support. If we get above 250, the stock has room to push over 3. Okay, so I'll just summarize that minute clip. Support at 210. If we get through 250, we have room to $3. Okay. So now everybody knows inside of True Trading Group now that what we're going to focus on today is we're going to be looking at Tupperware. And if we find support at 210, the stock's in play. And if we get above 250, we've got a lot of room to the upside. Okay. 20, 30, 40% upside on the stock. And we can get through that 250 price point. Okay. Well, let's actually see what happened in Tupperware today. This is trade of the day for me. This is where I made my money today. It was a big one. Let's draw a line across 210. You heard us discuss 210. Great. Where do I get the 210 number from? 210 comes from yesterday's highs. You had a beautiful, clean, flat, double top there on Tupperware right across the prior day's highs. Well, right off the open to start the day, we gapped above that level. And then you see we came down and sat beautifully on that level, a beautiful level of support with a nice, strong engulfing candle off of that support level, confirming that this is in fact a level of support, and the stock then gives you the breakout. Now, I'm still not long the stock at this moment. Once you cleared those initial morning highs, which is right here around this 230 level, you saw we pushed all the way up, increasing volume, heaviest volume of the day by far. And when you see that setup, this is a setup that we have coined the TTG triangle. The TTG triangle is my absolute favorite chart pattern. It's, for those of you that are experienced traders, it's a specific variation of the common ABCD pattern. Okay, that's basically what it is. It's just when you see an ABCD pattern, when there's very specific criteria that are met, I call it a THD triangle. It's my favorite pattern. It's a setup that I look for all the time. You're not going to actually find that pattern anywhere. It's just what I call it when this ABCD pattern happens and all these different characteristics line up and you can check all these boxes. So once you break through initial morning highs, which is what you have here, I just drew a line across initial morning highs. So once you break through initial morning highs, heaviest volume of the day, that's going to be key part to the THD triangle. Heaviest volume of the day comes in on the break through that initial morning high. Then when that happens, I look to buy the pullback as you get your consolidation on lower volume. The consolidation on lower volume is crucial to the formation of this pattern, and then you get a series of lower highs. That series of lower highs creates the THD triangle pattern or the ABCD pattern that is holding support above that previous initial morning high. Now, if the stuff I'm saying to you right now sounds like a different language, but you don't understand it, you're not following it, I assure you, you'll understand how to follow this stuff like the back of your hand when you guys become members of True Trading Group. So we went ahead and took the long entry right here at $2.43. So here's the entry at $2.43. The stop loss is right here underneath that support level at 2.25. I'll make that red so you guys understand what the risk was on the trade and where the stop loss was placed. So there's the stop loss, there's the support level, there's the actual entry point on the THD triangle. Now you'll notice other indicators coming into play. VWAP is the orange line. 9 exponential moving average is this teal blue line, adding to a nice another level of support here for the THD triangle setup. And then you get the break. Okay. Then you're going to get, let me just continue to draw this out, and then you'll get the break. Okay. So you can see we never got down, never tested, never violated the support level. We held above the support level for the entire morning session. You never got down to test the stop loss area. This is a trade that really never gave us any cause of concern. And then you get this nice strong break out of this series of lower highs. Let me go back and draw this for you so you can just see the whole entire pattern. So there's your series of lower highs. Then there's your break. And then I start taking profits off into this move. So I took profits off right there, 268 in front of the high of the day. Then we extended. I took more profits off there as we extended into the 280s. And now we're sitting pretty on the trade with still holding on to the position, looking for previous high to be support. And then you get the follow through move and it's just done. Just continue to rip profits off the table as the stock extends until we run out of shares. It was an absolute monster trade. Members of True Trading Group killed this thing today. Guys, tell me how you did. If you're a member of True Trading Group and you guys made money on the top trade today, sound off in chat. Tell me how you did. If you guys made money today in general, tell me how you did. I like to know how you guys are all doing. So go ahead, sound off. If you guys made money in chat today, if you caught the top trade with me, sound it off in chat. Tell me how you did. Either give me some dollar amounts, give me some percentage amounts. How did you guys do on this trade? Was it the equity? Were you in the option? It's a very cheap stock, so some people don't necessarily really need to be in the option with a stock that's only $2.50. But 60% gain for Redone, 50% for Okito. Nice, George. You caught the snow puts. Yeah, snow puts was another massive trade today on the snow puts. 80% gain for Scooby. Nearly 100% gain for Wizard. Yes, way to go, Kenneth. Kenneth caught the snow puts. Dave caught 164% on the snow puts. 50% for Okito. Texas Trader with a 300% gain on SPY puts. 40% for Thomas Alberson. Great job, Thomas. 40% on TUP. Yes, way to go, Shane. 38% gain on TUP. 89% for Lewis, 60% for Flying Low, 100% for Rigo, 20% for Azia, 40% for Susie, 40% for Marianne. Heather Hill locking in 280% gains today on the SPY, 77% on the snow puts for Wizard, 200% today for Fib Minachi. I love that username. 78% gain for Hammer. This is nuts. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Congratulations. I'd love to see this. I absolutely love to see it. Z4, 75%. 75% gain. Oh, Diana, great job. Yes, Diana, 115% gain. I'm so proud of you, Diana. I'm so proud of you. 135% gain for Bogey. All right, I don't need to keep reading all of these. You guys can keep reading the comments. I also heard Adam did an AI workshop today. How was that, guys? I heard Adam did a 2-hour AI workshop for people inside of the main chat. How was it? If you guys attended, how was the AI workshop today? Red Wallet with a $5,000 day. Great job. Yeah, tell me how it was, guys. How was it? You guys enjoy the AI workshop? Amazing, amazing, awesome. It was amazing, very informative, excellent. Monster day today for Cloud. Blondie says it was great. It was awesome. It was awesome. Workshop was awesome. My jaw dropped. It was freaking awesome. Ed Deaton says it was A1. Sarana says it was good. Amazing. Lots to take in. Excellent. Excellent. That's awesome. That's great, guys. That's really, really great. It was awesome. Excellent. Awesome. Very good. Adam changed my life with AI. That is definitely a factual statement. AI is going to change a lot of people's lives. This is why you guys really have to learn how to use it and have to use it properly. There's so many different uses. There's so many different applications, so many different areas of your life that you can use AI. And I think the biggest thing with AI is it can save you a lot of time. And time is something that, at least, for me, I can't really put a value on time because, we don't have much of it, right? I don't have much of it. So, whenever we can save ourselves an hour here, an hour there, by doing different tasks and using AI, that's another hour or 2 hours you get to spend with your family, or you get to do, you get to spend doing anything that you love that you would rather be doing. And that to me is a priceless thing. So awesome. I'm glad you guys had a great time in the AI bootcamp today. Awesome. Guys, how many people are on the live stream? We have over 1,000 people that are with us. If you guys are not members of True Trading Group, can you do me a favor and just type the letters TTG? I just want to see who's on here that's not a member of True Trading Group. If you guys are not members, go ahead and type TTG in chat right now. Just go ahead and type TTG in chat if you guys are not members. We're also giving away $1,000 today, guys. So go ahead and type the letters TTG if you guys are not members. We've got Andrew, Joseph, Shane, Travis Trisco. What's up? I'm going to get this. I like that username. I tell you that almost every time. Mark Dupree, Akil, how are you? Alan Harding, welcome back. Brooks Trump, what's up? Liza Mora, Enzo, Tim, Sean, welcome back. Barry, OG Edwards, Lucy, John Robinson. We got Ray. One day, says David Montoya. David Montoya, bro, that one day is soon. That one day is going to be soon. Lewis Hardman, Damian, Eddie Marino, what's up? Great, guys. Awesome. Guys, listen, so here's what I'll do real quick. Let me go through. I'm going to tell you guys how you can actually join True Trading Group right now, because we've got tonight is the last night for the 53% discount. Every night, we've been raising the price of our membership every single night. So if you guys joined yesterday, it was cheaper. The day before that, it was cheaper. Last week, it was cheaper. So the sale's over tonight at midnight for the 53% discount. So I want to make sure that everybody understands that completely, what you guys get access to as a member of True Trading Group. If you guys want to become part of the 10,000 members that are part of True Trading Group from 115 different countries. You want to trade with the 10 professional traders with you every single day inside of chat, day trades, swing trades, stocks, options, crypto, futures. We do it all inside of True Trading Group. Let me tell you guys how you can join, because we've got, like I said, the 53% discount. It's available for tonight. After midnight tonight, that 53% discount is no more. Okay. So you can go to ttgoffer.com. You'll use the coupon code TTG121. All right. You have to manually type in TTG121 and then click apply code. The price will then drop down to $1,039 for the entire year. Okay. There's no upsells for courses or tools. There's no additional cost or hidden fees. Every course, every tool is included for the $1,039 for the entire year. You don't join, and all of a sudden you got to pay $200 for a scanner. You got to pay $100 for a watch list. You got to pay another $1,000 for VIP courses. We don't do that stuff inside True Trading Group. The courses and the tools are all included when you guys join the annual membership. The original price is $2,212. That's what it's going to say when you go to the site. Do not pay that. I'm giving you the coupon code on this live stream. TTG121. Click apply code. The price will drop down to $1,039. That's a 53% discount. Tonight's the last night for that. At midnight tonight, the price then goes back up. There are 17 laptops available this evening. Yes, 17 laptops. So the next 17 people that join will also be getting a free laptop included with their membership. It's a Windows laptop. It's going to be either an Asus, Acer, HP, Dell, or Lenovo laptop. We cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. We have members in 115 countries. We ship laptops literally everywhere. So we cover the shipping. It's free. Use the laptop to trade with. Use it for work. Give it to your kid for school. Sell the laptop on eBay and put the money back in your account. It doesn't matter, right? It's our gift to you for joining the family. Something that we do, but there's only 17 of them. Okay, there's only 17 of them. So again, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. And then if you see a laptop in the checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. So if you're watching this after the live stream was already aired and you go to the site, if there's a laptop image in the checkout cart when you go there, then that means there's still one left. So sign up and then grab it. If you don't see it anymore, then that means you've sold out. But you'll have until midnight to get the 53% discount on the price. Now, since this is the last night for the 53% off, we're going to open it there for people that used to be members, or if you're currently a trial or you used to be a trial and you guys want to take advantage of the $1,039 price point with the laptop, you have to send us a text message if you are a trial member, used to be a trial member, or used to be an annual member, because we have to whitelist your email address. So send us a text message to the phone number that's at the bottom of your screen, 786-505-4049. Again, 786-505-4049. Text that number, because otherwise, if you're a trial member, the cheapest it's going to cost after your trial membership, if you decide you want to become a member, it's going to cost you $1,420. Save yourself the $400. Text that number now. We'll whitelist your email, and we'll give you guys that $1,039 price point. Okay? Stephen Osi, you signed up for the trial, but you were a previous member. So we have to disable, we got to disable that trial account. Okay? So send a text to Adam if you want to sign up. Stephen Osi, I'm talking to you specifically. We have to disable that trial account. So send a text message to Adam, 786-505-4049. Okay. And you guys, you don't have to enter your address to get the laptop. You have to check your email. We will send you a welcome email when you join. There will be instructions in that welcome email on how to claim your free laptop. So be on the lookout for that. Let me tell you real quick, guys, what you actually get with your membership, because it's all of our courses, 22 course curriculum. Okay. 22 course curriculum. It is a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. Joe, why don't you actually post up a link to the syllabus in chat right now? So anyone that's not a member, you guys can click on this link. You'll see the list of the entire syllabus. Beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures. We have all of it. It's all included, every course, when you join for the 1039. There's no upsells for more courses. You also get Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data to track trades by Congress, insider trading to track trades by management. If you went to Benzinga on your own, just those things are going to cost you well over $1,400 a year. You get access to all of it when you join True Trading Group for the $1,039. You get Quote Media's full book level 2, Trading View's premium charting software. That's like $600 a year. If you go to Trading View directly, it's included when you join TTG. A simulator from ET&A that lets you trade stocks, options, crypto, futures with fake money, but with real-time data, so you can practice before you guys start trading with real money. The Trade Ideas scanner streams on our platform all day for you guys to use and Make sure you're always focused on the hottest stocks during the day. Dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data. This is very expensive data that some of you may pay for already. It's included when you join our platform. Now, if you don't know how to use that stuff, don't worry about it. We show you, we teach you, we have tutorial videos, we do training sessions on how to use that stuff correctly and how to use that stuff to help you guys and give you an advantage and help you guys throughout your trading. You get various AI tools. We have a lot of different AI tools on the platform and like AI trading assistants that you guys are also going to be able to use. Our own proprietary scanner lets you create your own custom scans. There's a trading journal that tracks your trades and breaks it down to all the statistics. There's a social sentiment scanner that tells you what stocks are talked about most on social media. Watch list every day from the mods and I tell you exactly what stocks we're focused on with entry and exit points so you know where to focus your attention before the day even begins. 600 hours of workshops and videos in a video library. Guys, all of this is included for the 1039 when you guys go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price will drop from $22.12 all the way down to $1,039 for the entire year. If you see a laptop, you're getting one. You don't have to enter your address. You'll get a welcome email when you join. Check it. There's instructions in there how to claim that laptop. If you are a trial member, used to be a trial, or used to be an annual member, you must send a text message so we can whitelist your email address, 786-505-4049. If anybody has questions, you can also text that phone number. We're fully transparent. We're an open book. You have questions about me, my trading, the mods, the tools, the courses, the laptop, anything. You send a text to that phone number. And lastly, I know I talk a big game on these live streams. I know I do. And some of you might think it's annoying, but I back it up. I back it up with my own money. Anyone that joins True Trading Group, see, we believe so strongly in the platform that we've created, the product that we offer. We stand behind it to the point where anyone that joins True Trading Group, we offer you a double your money back guarantee. This is how it works. You're going to join True Trading Group. You'll pay $1,039 for the entire year. Go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend a study group, and actually utilize the platform you're subscribing to. Don't just log on to our site 5 times all year and be like, oh, I didn't make any money. Use the platform. Courses, quizzes, study group. Do those things. If you are unable to at least make back the membership fee, if you cannot make back $1,039 at least one time during your membership, we will give you back $2,078. That is double what you are paying to join. That is how much we stand behind this platform and how much we believe, how confident we are that this platform can help you reach your goals, that we're willing to offer a double your money back guarantee. Nobody is going to do that. Ask yourself why. David, welcome to the family. We got to welcome David, guys. 16 of those laptops are now remaining. We had 17 when we started. David just grabbed one. Everyone that's a member, welcome David to the TTG fam, your new brother. David, welcome to the family. 16 laptops left. Remember, guys, as long as you see a laptop, you're getting one. Okay? If you have questions, text us, 786-505-4049. Okay? David, welcome to the family. All right, guys, I'm going to have a little sip of water. Let's talk about why did the market sell off today, and is this a healthy pullback, or is there a bigger correction coming? Okay, so George Tavares, Mike, what's your favorite stock for a long-term hold? My favorite stock for a long-term hold is NVIDIA. But I already own NVIDIA. I own a lot of it, and I own it from much lower prices than it is now, but that is probably my favorite holding in my long-term portfolio. I gotta, before I get into, what happened in the SPY today, can I just give a shout out to Adam on BBIG? Adam got a lot of crap today from people. BBIG is a stock that everyone's been talking about lately on social media. It's a total piece of garbage. And Adam tried to warn people about it today. In chat, Adam was warning people about BBIG today. And what ends up happening? BBIG craters after hours, stock drops, like it was at $5 when the markets closed. It dropped all the way to 250. So it basically fell 40 to 50% after hours. And the stock is being suspended. It's being delisted for regulatory and non-compliance. It's being delisted. This is a disaster. And he was right. Adam was right. My business partner, my co-founder of True Trading Group, guy's got, over a decade of public markets experience, and he sniffed this one out. He's got such a knack for these things. He called the BBIG. He called MMTLP. He warned everybody on this live stream, get out of MMTLP, get out of MMTLP. And 2 days later, the stock was delisted, halted, SEC halt, the whole nine. Stock went down, 90%, whatever it was. He called Mullen, get out of Mullen, get out of Mullen. Look, we didn't have to talk about Mullen. You guys know how I feel about Mullen, right? You guys already know how I feel about Mullen. It's like such a piece of garbage. But these are the things, right? This is just some of the insight that you guys get as a member of True Trading Group. So just a big shout out to Adam for calling that BBIG just a piece of garbage. And I'm just happy that Adam was able to kind of keep members away from, a bad situation that probably a lot of other chat rooms and Discord rooms are probably caught in. So that's that. Let's talk about the SPY and what happened at 1 o'clock. Everything changed at 1 o'clock. There are 3 reasons why I believe the market sold off today. 2 of them are fundamental. 1 of them is technical. First, the market's gapped up big. Okay. Why did we gap up to a new 52-week high? We gapped up to a new 52-week high because all of the data that came out this morning was fantastic. And not to mention Meta destroyed earnings yesterday. And you came into the day today and you got a lot of economic data that came out, and the data was great, and it just shot the markets higher. Guys, I've got to give you the first code word. I'm sorry. I got to give you the first code word for the giveaway tonight. The first code word tonight is healthy. The first code word tonight is healthy. Healthy. We're giving away $1,000 on this live stream. So you need to know both code words if your name is called. The first code word is healthy. Healthy, first code word. I'll give you the second code word in a few moments, and then we'll do the $1,000 giveaway in just a bit. So that gave us this big gap up on the SPY today, right? You can see this huge gap up after the Fed day. Yesterday was the Fed day. Then today you get this huge gap up. Okay, today you get this huge gap up. Now, GDP data came out. GDP came in at 2.4. The expectation was 1.8. That's way higher. Okay, way higher. And you guys need the code words yesterday and today. Okay, you need the code words from yesterday and today. All right, the code words from yesterday and today. So GDP came in at 2.4. It was expected at 1.8. The last reading was 2.0. Okay, so 2.0, we actually went up to 2.4, which would insinuate that the economy is actually picking up steam, not slowing down. And that shot the markets right higher to a new 52-week high, and the soft landing, bucket, that data went well into soft landing, and that gave that huge gap up. And everything looked great. You got a slight pullback in the morning, then you started to recover, and you were holding that gap up, and then everything changed at 1 o'clock. What happened at 1 o'clock? 2 things happened around 1 o'clock. We got to welcome Becca and Gina. Which means we are now down to 14 laptops. Becca and Gina, welcome to the family. Guys, all right, we have 14 laptops now remaining. So again, tonight's the last night and there goes Bill. 13 laptops now remaining. Everybody welcome Bill. All right, these are going now, guys. These are going now. So remember, tonight's the last night for the 53% discount. You have till midnight for the 53% discount, but you have 13 spots left for a laptop. If you guys want the free laptop, you'll know you're getting one if you see it in your checkout cart. So Becca, Gina, Bill, welcome to the family. 13 laptops now remain. Okay? 13 laptops now remain. Again, guys, you have questions, text us 786-505-4049. So at 1 o'clock, we had a bond auction, and it was terrible. There were no buyers for the bond auction. Rick Santelli gave it a D, okay, which is about as bad of a grade that he would give a bond auction. So the markets didn't really like that. But then something else happened with the Bank of Japan. Now, when basically, without getting too complex, the Bank of Japan is going to allow rates to go above 0.5. They're basically ending their unlimited QE that the Bank of Japan has been doing forever as they've been fighting off a deflation type of economy that has plagued that country for a very long time. And they're going to end that quantitative easing. And that's a big deal. And let me explain to you why it's a big deal. We got to welcome Robert. Robert, 12 laptops now remain. Everybody welcome Robert. 12 laptops now remain. Guys, again, ttgoffer.com. Grab yours. Use the coupon code TTG121. You've got a double your money back guarantee to back it up. I can offer you double your money back because a couple of reasons. Our refund rate, it's only 2.39%. If our refund rate was 10%, I wouldn't be able to offer you double your money back. True Trading Group would go out of business. But since it's 2.39, we can. 78% of our members renew their membership or have gone on to become lifetime members. Here, guys, do me a favor. Members, type the number 1 if you've been a member of True Trading Group for more than 1 year. Guys, just do me a favor. Type the number 1 if you've been a member of True Trading Group for more than 1 year. You've been a member for more than 1 year. Just type the number 1. Anyone that's not a member, just pay attention. This is why I can offer you guys double your money back guarantee. 78% of our members renew their membership or have gone on to become lifetime members of our platform and of our community. This is why I can offer you double your money back. We're also 5-star rated on Trustpilot with well over 2,200 reviews. Go read them. Look at how many people are typing the number 1. Somebody, I just saw, I couldn't even read who it was, but someone just said, I got 2 months until I'm here for a year, but he goes, I already renewed my membership. So they renewed their membership early. That's how excited they are to be part of the community. I'll be here for years to come. I love it. I love it. But you guys, this is why I can offer you double your money back, because I really don't think you need it. But it's there for peace of mind. I get it. It's there for peace of mind, and it's also there for you can hold us accountable. For the services that we provide. Right? I stand behind this platform, and that's how we prove it to you. So, Bank of Japan. Why is that a big deal that the Bank of Japan is going to stop their quantitative easing? That has been holding down and holding back the dollar. Now, without getting into the reasons why with Forex markets and currencies, that's been holding down the dollar. Okay. Them saying that they're going to become more flexible and they're going to stop that quantitative easing immediately shot the dollar higher. So the dollar immediately shot to the upside when that happened. Now you add that plus a horrific bond auction and yields exploded. When yields go higher, that tends to put pressure on stocks and specifically tech stocks. So when you had these back-to-back news events, you got the dollar shot higher, yields shot higher, stocks went down. Now, the reason why stocks go down as yields go up, because if you, as as a fixed, when fixed income markets become more attractive, right? If you're able to say, hey, I can get 5.5% with zero risk if I just give my money to the US government. Well, that becomes a very attractive investment. When it used to be 1% or 0.5 or 0.7%, that's not very attractive. So portfolios used to be, maybe a portfolio was 80% equities and 20% bonds, right? But as the interest rates on the bonds goes higher, you start to see those balances in portfolios shift. Maybe instead of 80-20, it goes to 60-40 or 65-35 or 70-30, et cetera. So money comes out of equities and then goes into treasury markets. Okay. So those two things happened today right around 1 o'clock. That sent the markets down. But you know what else helped add to that? This news came out. It's funny how these things work. These things come out. Okay. These things come out right when we're at a massive level of resistance. The SPY is at a huge level of resistance. Let me show you. Let's go to the daily chart. Draw a line across today's high. Okay, so there's today's high, right? We'll draw a line right across it. As you go back, you look back all the way to the left, you can see previous double top resistance there in February of last year, and then more resistance right there at the end of March. That's a very big resistance level that the SPY has up there around 460. So we shot up right into this level today off the open, and then you got this news that came out at 1 o'clock, and it was all you needed to cause profit taking. What happened today in the markets is a perfect example of profit taking. The stock market is up huge in the last month or two. The Dow was up 13 days in a row. Technology stocks are super extended to the upside. You are at a key level of resistance from a charting perspective. So all you needed, you already saw some people were already taking profit this morning. You can see off the big gap up into that resistance level in of itself caused profit taking. As you can see, the market pulled back in the very early morning, but then we started to find our footing until the news came out. And once that news came out, now it's like, ooh, wait a second. You know what? Maybe we should take profit today. And all your different funds, it all just started to give you that bang, bang, pullback. And then the floodgates opened and we just sold off right into the close. But it's important that you understand why the markets pulled back. And I hope that, that's why I like to do this stuff with you guys. I like to explain to you what's going on so you have a better understanding of what's moving the markets, so you guys get to learn this stuff. I was very fortunate, right? Like my very first experience with all this was working for a hedge fund in New York City. So I got professional training right from day one. Not everybody's that fortunate and lucky to have professional training on Wall Street right from day one. A lot of people have to go watch YouTube videos or go sit in Discord rooms or go read Reddit boards, and they can get fed a lot of bad information. Like certain stocks are going to short squeeze to 1,000, right? Like shorts have to cover, ghost phantom shorts, or evil Citadel market makers, like all this nonsense garbage. It's completely false, untrue information that's spread all over the place. I didn't have to deal with any of that crap. So I want to share this information with you guys. Hopefully it gives you a better understanding of markets and therefore eventually helps you guys start to become better traders and make money. Where do I think this leaves us from here? If you caught my live stream on Sunday, okay, I said I believed that this was going to be a red week. So far, we're flat. Okay, so far we're flat. There's a very important level that we have to watch for tomorrow. Today is an engulfing candle. Means you engulfed multiple days of price action in one day. You also failed at a key level of resistance on increasing volume. Today was a high volume day in the market. Okay, so volume really picked up during that pullback. What I am looking for is this level. 451 to 451.50. This is the mark for me. It's today's low. It's also a pivot low from the 20th. Prior to that, it was a level of resistance on the 17th. And prior to that, it was a level of resistance on the 14th. If this level breaks, we look for more downside to 449, 448.50. And that closes us red for the week. Okay? This is what I think is going to happen. I think tomorrow the markets might try to bounce because pullbacks have been bought for the last several weeks. So it's a creature of habit, right? Pullback, okay, let's start buying. What I think you may see happen is an early test of 453.50 to 454. Why do I care about this level? Well, it was the low of the day from the Fed meeting, which is yesterday. It was a little pivot support level there on the 24th. But also, more importantly, when you broke yesterday's low, which is the Fed meeting low, you can see it started acting as resistance. Now, I'll go to a 3-minute chart just so you can see this a little bit more clearly, right? So there's that support level from the Fed meeting. When we broke underneath it today, you see how it started to act as resistance and you double topped at it and then you sold off. So tomorrow, watch for bounce back into this level and then look for it to fade out, go back down to today's low, and then let's see if we can break today's low. All right. And then let's see if we can break today's low and finish the week red. That is what I think is going to happen tomorrow. Now, if the SPY gets back over 454, I will abandon that trade idea. And then if we're going to just buy the dip, then we're going to have to buy the dip. We'll have our eyes on some stronger stocks that we can focus on. NVIDIA was very strong today. Boeing was very strong today. Meta, very strong today. Like all of these are the stocks that held up during the market sell-off this afternoon. So if the SPY reclaims 454, let's look to be long those stocks. But I'm looking for us to break that 451.50 and finish the week red. We'll see if I'm right. That's going to be my thought process coming into the day. We got to see what happens in the overnight session. Maybe we get more news out of Japan. We have to wait and see because that piece of news that came out today was a huge part of why the market sold off today. Okay, huge part. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if there's any more news about that. We'll see where the markets are trading tomorrow morning. Okay, the futures are bouncing in the right now. The futures are bouncing. We're green right now, about just over 0.1%. So we are starting to bounce now. We'll see where we are tomorrow morning. If we're also getting we're also getting PCE inflation data tomorrow. That's a very important number. So this is why you have to wait really for the data. Tomorrow at 8:30, you're going to get PCE inflation. If PCE inflation comes in well under expectation, you could easily see the markets move back to 456 tomorrow. So let's wait and see what this inflation data comes in at. That inflation data could pop the SPY above 454 before the market even opens. That data comes out at 8:30. Market opens at 9:30. So we can be back above that level well before the markets even open. But if that PCE data comes in a little sticky or a little higher than people thought, or if it comes, the CPI and PPI data was drastically under expectation. So that expectation is set for PCE. Everyone's going to expect PCE to come in under expectation because CPI and PPI did. Okay. So if it doesn't come in under expectations, and if it's not flat, but if it's in line with expectations, the markets might not like that. They might think, oh, core PCE is a little bit too sticky. Maybe the Fed is going to raise rates another time. And that could be the catalyst that makes us drop underneath that level. But these are the levels I'm focusing on. That's how I'm going to trade it. We got to welcome Robert. This is another Robert. So our second Robert of the night. Welcome, Robert. 11 of these laptops are now remaining. Guys, go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price will drop all the way down to $1,039. And midnight tonight is the last chance to get the 53% discount. You'll know you're getting a laptop as long as you see one in your checkout cart. You don't have to enter your address. You'll get a welcome email when you join with instructions how to claim the laptop. So be on the lookout for it. Okay? Robert, welcome to the family. TTGoffer.com, TTG121. Second code word is pullback. Second code word is pullback. Second code word is pullback. So the two code words for this evening are healthy pullback. Healthy pullback. Those are the code words for today. I think it's giveaway time. Adam, what do you think, man? Is it giveaway time? Adam needs 3 minutes. So it's not yet giveaway time. I'm sorry. I got excited. I thought it was giveaway time. And since I'm such a nice guy, I'm going to give you guys the code words from yesterday because you're going to need to know all four. And I want to make sure that whoever wins this damn giveaway knows the code word so I don't have to spin the wheel multiple times, okay, because it's getting late. And I want to go to bed because I want to be fresh and rested for tomorrow. It's been a huge month. It's been a huge week. And I'm looking to close the week off strong. So the code words from yesterday's live stream were why was I just turned off? Was that on purpose or was that by accident? Did you not want me to give him the code word or was that by accident? Oh. Code words from yesterday's giveaway are all right, I'm not going to give you guys the code words now, so you better just know them yourselves. All right, so when Adam's ready, apparently Adam needs 3 minutes to get ready for the giveaway, but he has enough time to mess around and turn the thing off while I'm trying to give you guys the code word. So apparently he doesn't need 3 minutes. So good luck, guys. I hope you know the code words from yesterday. Adam, how much more time do you need? He said he needs 2 minutes. Well, if you weren't messing around behind the scenes, maybe that 2 minutes would be 20 seconds. Tack Ho wants to know, why do we need yesterdays? Because those are the rules. Why do you only get 4 downs in football? Those are the rules. Why do you only get 3 strikes in baseball? Those are the rules. Why are there only 3 outs in an inning?
Why are you being such a hoe?
It's the way I'm feeling. It's just the way I'm feeling. All right, so I guess we're ready for the giveaway.
They're literally on the screen. Fucking dumb.
I see today's code words on the screen.
Oh,
on my end.
way.
Yeah.
You gotta open YouTube, bro.
Well, yeah, which I'm not going to do while I'm actually doing this live.
I know. I'm just saying that they're on the screen. Everything's on the screen. Hang on a second. See how many people are on here, but they're still new.
Guys, do me a favor and type the letters TTG if you are not a member of True Trading Group and you guys are still on this live stream with us. Just go ahead and type the letters TTG. Just go ahead and type TTG if you guys are on here and you're not a member still. We got Miss Lady, Brooks, Steve, Sean. Emmanuel, Tammy, Randy. I'm going to get this. Shannon, grind.
Yo, dude's name is Bill Dong.
Oh, we still got a bunch of people here.
Andrew.
Andrew's very excited.
Andrew's so excited.
Andrew's very excited.
You think Mike is tired? I'm tired.
Yes,
we're all tired.
Yes, we're all very tired.
All
we're
right.
all very tired.
Let me just
Let's
queue
do
up
this giveaway.
the wheel of names. And we got this show on the road, Partner D. 626 people are registered for this evening's giveaway. Bing bong! And let's get this going. Nike.
What'd you say?
Again. Here we go. Spin, spin, spin.
All right, so if your name is called, you will have 2 minutes to send a text message to the phone number that's at the bottom of the screen. And you must give us the code words.
4 of them. Robert Ward. I hope Robert wins, bro. I know that he's on here, I think. Nothing would make me happier than to give it to Robert.
Yeah?
I freaking love this guy.
Robert's a good guy. Robert's a good
Please,
dude.
Robert, for the love of God.
Yeah, Robert, please be on.
Make
Please
me
be
feel
on here.
good about giving away money tonight, please.
Robert, you have 2 minutes to send a text message to 786-505-4221. 786-505-4221 with the code words. You have 2 minutes, Robert. The clock starts now.
I saw him on here too.
We should get some we should do the Jeopardy music when we're waiting.
I don't know.
Come on, Robert.
I don't know if this is him. So the wrong person. So Kevin Patton just disqualified himself.
Way to go, Kevin.
Kevin, you're killing it, brother. Oh, come on, Robert.
Come on, Robert. Still no text message from Robert. Robert Ward.
You gotta be kidding.
Ah. Robert.
He's got a minute. A little bit less than a minute.
No, 45 seconds.
All right, done.
Sorry, Robert. All
He
right.
was here, bro. I saw him.
Sorry, Robert. All right. Let's spin the wheel. Michael Iyer. Michael
Let me check. Hang on.
Iyer. You have You have 2 minutes.
Hang on. Yeah, 2 minutes. Yes.
You have 2 minutes. Michael Ayer.
Oh, no way. It's I like this guy too.
I like this guy too. What's his username?
Hang on.
Well, Michael, you've got 2 minutes to send a text message to 786-505-4221.
10 ring.
What?
10 ring?
Oh, no. That's 10 ring?
Yeah.
Oh, 10 ring's a good dude. All right,
Really good
786 505-4221.
Please, Michael.
Come on, Michael. Michael.
He's got a minute.
Like, there's 1,000 people on here. Why can't we just pick one of them? Why can't one of them be called?
Hang on. This may be him.
Oh, we got a text. Hold on.
I don't know. Hang on.
Michael Janik goes, don't shame our name. I like that, Mike.
No, not him. Somebody else just disqualified themselves.
Come on. Guys, don't text the number if your name.
Why would you do that?
You're disqualifying yourself if you text us and it's not your name's not called. We have people's phone numbers lined up with their names. You're not going to fool us to pretend that you're the person that won.
Oh my God.
What?
That was Robert Ward.
No.
Yeah, he's delayed on the YouTube feed. Oh, shit.
Oh, man.
Robert, I'm so sorry, brother. All right. Well,
You want to pull that down, Adam?
yeah. Oh, good God, no.
Robert, man. I am so sorry, dude. That sucks.
I can't give it to Robert Ward.
Robert, I'm sorry, man.
I can't do it, bro.
No, we can't. It's just not fair to everybody else. It's just because there's been other people before.
I have literally told other people no.
I know we've literally told other people. That's why we can't do it.
I can't do it. I gotta be consistent, or else it's not fair to other people.
Yeah.
You have to make sure you're watching it live. You know.
I'm sorry, Robert, man. Oh, that sucks. All right, so Michael didn't text us either.
No.
So we're spinning this wheel again. This is so annoying.
What time is it? It's 10 o'clock?
It's 10 o'clock,
I'm not
man.
spinning it again. We'll do it
No,
tomorrow.
spin it one more time because I think Diana Zamora is going to win.
I'll do it tomorrow.
Just spin one.
No, it's 10 o'clock. I'm going to sleep, dude. I'll do it tomorrow. 10 o'clock, bro. 3 p.m. tomorrow, we go live. I'm sorry, 3:30 p.m. tomorrow, we go live right here on YouTube. You do not need to register again. Just be right back here. We will make sure that everyone's name remains in here, and we will spin again then. It's 10 o'clock. I'm going to sleep, bro.
Why is it so hard to give away money?
I don't know. I'm freaking tired, dude. I'm not.
Yeah.
No.
I'm exhausted, man. All right, guys. Well, Michael and Robert, I'm sorry, guys, but we'll do it again tomorrow. We'll do it again tomorrow. All right. So just, you guys already have the code words. So we'll do it again tomorrow.
You want to just give it to Diana Zamora?
No, you can't just, you got to spin it again then if you want. You can't just give it to Diana.
Can we give it to Kathleen Marmaduke?
You can't. These are all people that I love, but you can't just give it to them.
Why?
You would have to spin. Diana goes, okay. Diana goes, okay. Sure.
Could have spun again by now. I know.
Yes, you could have.
All right. Well, wrap up. I'm going to sleep. Love you. Good night.
God. All right, guys. I'm sorry. Adam's a party pooper tonight. He's got the wheel of names, so I can't even do it. I don't even have that software. I don't even have that software on my, or that program on my computer. So I can't even spin the wheel for you if I wanted to. I would spin it for you. I would spin it for you guys tonight if I could, but I can't. I apologize. We'll do it tomorrow. All right. All right, folks. That wraps it for the live stream. If you're not interested in the membership, you guys can sign off. Make sure you subscribe to the channel before you go. If you are interested in the membership, let me show you what the platform looks like so you guys can actually see what you're getting for the $1,039 because it's an all-inclusive membership. It's all the courses, it's all the tools. So here's the chat room, right? Here's the chat room. This is where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades in real time. We're answering questions. We're with you from pre-market through the close. We're not gone after an hour and you have to fend for yourself. You got the mobile app that lets you be connected to chat on your cell phone so you can see the screen share, listen to the audio because the mods and I talk to you during the day. And you get real-time push notifications when the mods enter and exit trades. Okay. You'll also get 2 private study groups with our mods to speed up that learning curve. Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data to track trades by Congress, insider trade to track trades by management, Trading View's premium charting software, most commonly used charting software is for traders. The Trade Ideas scanner streams on our platform so you guys can use it. A simulator from ETN lets you trade stocks, options, crypto, and futures with fake money with real-time data so you can practice implementing what you're learning. Our own proprietary scanner lets you create custom scans. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, and options flow. Short data. A trading journal that tracks your trades, breaks it down to the statistics. A social sentiment scanner tells you what's being talked about most on social media. Analyst ratings on any stock you're interested in. A watch list every day that the mods publish telling you what stocks are focused on with entry and exit points. Then the courses, a simplified and expanded upon version of what I went through when I went to the 3-month training at the fund in New York. Beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto futures, you name it, we've got it. You have access to it. A video library with 600 hours of workshops and webinars that you can watch. I mean, you can start attending those live when you become a full-time member. Guys, listen, I can't guarantee that you're going to be successful just because you join True Trading Group. But what I can guarantee is if you join tonight and pay $1,039, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend the study group, and actually utilize the platform and use it. Don't just sign on 5 days all year. Use the platform, right? If you still can't make back $1,039 at least one time during your membership, we'll give you back $2,078. Okay. Colleen Music says, is there a guarantee? Colleen Music, yes. So it's a double your money back guarantee. Colleen, it's right there on the checkout page. It's also right here on the YouTube channel. I'm telling it to you. So it's also right on the checkout page. Okay. So the double your money back guarantee. Yep. I'll say it again, Colleen. So here it is. And anybody else that wants to know, we have a double your money back guarantee. You join tonight. It's $1,039 for the whole year. That includes all of our courses and all of our tools. Go through the courses at your own pace on your own time. You have the whole year to do this. There's no pressure like, oh, we got to do this all in 14 days or something. Go through the courses, pass the quizzes at the end of the courses, attend one study group. We do study groups every week. Attend one. And use the platform. Like, don't just log in 5 times all year and be like, oh, I didn't make any money. Like, use the platform. Okay. If you do those things and you don't make $1,039 back at least one time during your membership, we will give you back $2,078. And if you join tonight, we have 11 left, right? We have 11 laptops left, guys. 11 or 10? 11? 11. There's 11 laptops left. So Colleen, if you do join now, you'll also get a free laptop. Okay. So ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. Click apply code. The price then drops to $1,039. And that double your money back guarantee, I really don't think you need it. We have a refund rate of 2.39%. 78% of our members have renewed their membership or gone on to become lifetime members. And we are 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,200 reviews. Okay. So that's the money back guarantee, Colleen. And Colleen, if you have any questions, you can text us too, right? So the phone number that's at the bottom of the screen, And anybody has questions at all about anything, just text that number. We're happy to answer any questions that you guys have. 786-505-4049. You can text that number, ask your questions, your concerns. We'll help answer anything that you guys want to know. Okay? That's it, folks. Thanks for joining me. I hope you guys had a great time. I sure as hell did. I'm going to bed. Subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, turn on your notifications if you guys haven't done so already. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Take care, guys.